Now I want to talk about registering your business, which is like, this is like the biggest headache and thorn on my side when you first start a business here in the Philippines. The biggest headache is, you guessed it, paperwork. It's just, if paperwork was rain, it'd be a freaking thunderstorm, it'd be a monsoon. That's how I feel. So setting up a business in the Philippines is not a one-stop shop. A lot of it can be done offline now, but a lot of it also still has to be done offline, which is in office, in person. The headache that I feel sometimes, and comment down below if you feel the same way, is the many government agencies you have to go through, which is a bit redundant, but obviously you want to do business in a foreign country that's not your own, and maybe your own country has its own limitations as well. But just be prepared and if you have some patience when you're trying to set up a business here in the Philippines. Some of the things I'm going to mention to you right now are, some of the these some of the agencies. There's the DTI, there's the SSS, there's the LGU, there's the BIR, there's PhilHealth, and I believe PAG-IBIG. So those are all terminologies to try to get this thing moving along to finish up your business permitting processes. So I can go really deep into it, and I can bring more people into the conversation if you are really looking to do some business formation and have someone like me handle everything as much as I can for you. So it's just like sign and go. But this is a very top layer discussion as to when forming a business in the Philippines. I just want to get that straight.